Hello students. So in previous video we have learned about various types of maps: physical, political, thematic maps, and what is a map, what is an atlas also. So today we are going to discuss about components of maps. Okay, so here is the first component of map, which is distance. So look, we know that maps are drawings on a fit sheet of paper, means this one. Okay, this is the sheet of paper. Okay, this is sheet. So or we can see that maps are drawn to reduce the scales. Okay, but this reduction is done very carefully so that the distance between the places is real. Means, look at this image. Look, that if we have to move from E to M, okay, so this distance will be shorter distance, but we cannot go through well or some other's house. Okay, so we have to take the distance by road. So look, this is a map, and from here to here it is 2 centimeter. Okay, this is 2 centimeter, the distance from D to E on a map. And it shows that the scale is 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meter. So it is 2 centimeter, then the distance from E to D, the actual distance will be 20 centimeter, 20 meters. Okay, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meter. So like this way we have to use the scale and distance also. So look, scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Means, look, this is the scale, it is the actual distance of the map. Actual distance means the real distance. From Kareem house to Sheila's house, the distance on map is 2 centimeter, but the scale is of 1 centimeter is equals to 10 meter. Then the actual distance from D to E will be 20 meters. Okay, actual distance. So uh, if you show this, look, for example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometer. The actual distance between your home to your school is 10 centimeter. If you show this 10 kilometer, it is not possible on a fit sheet of paper. On a sheet of paper, it is not possible to draw 10 kilometer distance. Okay, for that we need 10 kilometers of paper. So for that, if we use the distance by 2 centimeter on map, it means that, look, like this is your school and this is your home. The distance on map, it is 2 centimeter, but actual it is 10 kilometer. Actually it is 10 kilometer. Then you can say that 1 centimeter is equals to 5 kilometer. Okay, 1 centimeter is equals to 5 kilometer, we can say, because 2 centimeter is equals to 10 kilometer. Okay, so the scale of your drawing will be 1 centimeter is equals to 5 kilometer. Thus the scale is very important in any map. Yes bachcho, it is very important in any map. Okay, so if you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on the map. Okay, so when large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use a small scale. Small scale means, look here, like 5 centimeter is equals to 500 kilometer. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometers. Okay, so it is called the small scale map. Okay, and when a small area like your village, your town is to be shown on a paper, then we use large scale. That is 5 centimeter on the map shows 500 meters only on the ground. Means 1 centimeter is equals to 100 meter here. 1 centimeter is equals to 100 meter, and here it is 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometer. Okay, so which shows the large area is a small scale map, which shows the small scale area which is large scale map. Okay, just opposite. So large scale maps gives more information than small scale maps, because look, large scale map gives the details of a small area. Details of a small area like a village. Okay, but small scale map is used to show the continents and the countries, means large area. So they cannot show the small main important points of map. Okay, so large scale maps give more information than small scale maps. Okay, so let us talk about second component of map, which is direction. Okay, so look, basically you have learned about four types of direction. This is north, this is south, this is west, and this is east. Okay, north, south, east, and west, these are the major four direction. But on map there are eight types of directions. So this is north and this is east, then this will be northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So these are the eight directions. Okay, so look, most maps contains an arrow marked with letter N. Okay, you have seen that there is an arrow and given that it is N, means this arrow shows the north direction. Okay, so this arrow shows the north direction, it is also the north line, it is called the north line. So when you know the north, you can find other directions. Okay, because the direction just opposite to north will be south direction. Okay, and if you face north, if you face towards north, then in your left there is west direction, and if you face north, in your right the direction will be east. Okay, so if you know the north direction, you can easily recognize all other directions also. Okay, so east, west, north, and south are the four major directions. Okay, and these four major directions are called cardinal point. These all directions are called cardinal, cardinal. These are cardinal points. Okay, yes, it is given here. So other four intermediate directions are, this is north and this is east, so the direction between these two will be northeast. This is not southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay, so these four are the intermediate directions. Now find out the following directions from figure 4.1a, this direction, this figure. Okay, so in this figure what you have to do, look, assignment is given here that the direction of the community center, this is the community center. Okay, this is community center, and from here the direction of community center, the playground from Vikas house, the direction of school from shops. Okay, so this is shop and this is school, so you have to show this direction. From community center, figure the direction of community center and the playground from Vikas house, this is Vikas house, so you have to show this direction and this one also, this is the playground. Okay, so this you have to do it by yourself. Now look, we can find out the direction of a place with the help of compass also. Okay, because the compass rests in north south direction. So it is an instrument used to find out main directions. Its magnetic needle always points towards north south direction. Okay, which is north, which is south. Okay, so you can practical this also in your mobile phone. In every mobile phone there is a compass. Okay, my mistake, in every phone there is a compass, so you just have to open it and you have to means you have to take a round, so you will easily recognize that which direction is north and which one is south. Okay, so the third component of map is a symbol. Okay, so it is the third important component of map. So it is not possible to draw map on the surface in their actual shape and size. We cannot draw the actual shape and size of an object on a piece of paper. Okay, so or buildings or roads, etc. Okay, so they are shown using letters. Like for trees, we will use a symbol, a small tree, that here it is a tree. Okay, for well we use a circle. Okay, for empty, for For post office we can use a symbol PO, capital P capital O. This is post office. So these are the symbols that are used in maps. Okay, so with the use of these symbols, map can be drawn easily and are simple to read also. Okay, whenever we are reading a map and we will see a PO, we will easily understood that it is post office. Okay, so even if you don't know the language of the area and therefore cannot ask someone for directions, you can collect information from maps with the help of these symbols. Okay, so there is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. Okay, that PO is always be a post office. Okay, these trees shows the trees also only. Okay, so there is an international agreement that PO is post office, PTO is post and telegram office, and PS is for police station. Okay, so now various colors also are used for some purpose. Okay, say for same purpose that we have in previous video I have shown you the physical map of India. So there is, look, this is, so these are the different color that are used to show the different types of regions. Means plain. Look, these greenish color is plains. Okay, the yellowish color is plateaus. Okay, so different colors are also used for same purpose. Okay, generally blue, remember every time that whenever there is a blue line, blue color, there will be the water body. Okay, and brown for mountain, yellow for plateau, and green is for plains. Okay, so these are the internationally accepted various colors which are used to show these features. Okay, now there is two another types of drawings. I will not say these are maps, but these are the drawings. Like if you have to your friend don't know the location of your school, your friend don't know the direction of your school, so you will draw simply that you have to reach there, then you have to take left, then right, then you will see a board here, board of post office, so you will draw a post PO. Okay, then you have to take the next right, then sharp left turn, and you will reach to my house. So this drawing, this rough drawing is called sketch. Okay, so this rough drawing is called sketch. Okay, it does not use the scale. Here we cannot draw actual distance that this is 2 centimeter, this is 1, because we are just roughly showing that you have to turn this way, now this way and this way, and you will reach to my house. So this rough drawing is called sketch. Okay, and what is a plan? So a plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A small area means your room. You have to draw a room on a piece of paper. That drawing is called plan. Okay, so a large scale map gives lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and breadth of room. Okay, so in this plan, in this drawing, we will show the actual length and breadth of a room. Okay, so which cannot be shown in a map. Okay, map cannot show the actual distance of one room. Okay, yes, it will describe the actual distance of your house, but it cannot describe the actual length and breadth of your room. Okay, so which can't be shown in a map. So at that time we refer the drawings drawn to a scale called a plan. Okay, so plan is drawn with the help of a scale, and sketch is drawn without the help of scale. Okay, so I hope you all got this, all three types of maps, all three components of map. This is sketch and plan. Okay, now what you have to do in your assignment is that you have to do the question answers. Okay, you have to take the correct answers. So this is your assignment for today. Thank you.